Look what just landed in front of me on the grapevine. Can we see it? It's a cicada. I'm waiting for it to make a noise. I just hope Mr. Reno Beano doesn't try and get crafty and try and catch him and kill him and eat him. Sing for me, sing. Sing once again, my cicada, this strange duet. I'll sing Phantom, and you can just sing. Oh, geez. I think I've had a little too much sun. I'm now singing to cicadas. Yeah, I would back away too if I were you. I kind of want to touch it, but I don't know. I don't think he would hurt me. Hear that, cicada? They're in the distance, they're singing. Apparently, they make that noise when they feel threatened. I wonder if I should try and threaten it. You think you're bigger than me? This grapevine ain't big enough for the both of us. What can I touch it with? Maybe it will just fly away. Are you looking at me? 'Cause I'm looking at you. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Maybe it has stage fright. We'll come back another time. Maybe you'll sing me a serenade when it's just you and me.